Hey guys, it's Tiffany here. So today's video is one that I didn't really anticipate making, but I posted Jaden's room on my Instagram the other day and I got a lot of comments and messages about where I got stuff and if I could do like a room tour, if I could do like a storage organization type of video, or I guess share like where I store some things in like my kids' rooms and stuff. So I decided to go ahead and just do a room tour and tell you guys where I got everything, even though I tagged everything on my Instagram post. But so yeah, I'm gonna just show you guys his room, do a room tour, and do all of those things, let you guys know where I got pretty much everything in here. So if you've been watching for a while, you guys know that we have changed this room so many times since we lived here. I think we've lived here maybe going on 5 years, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Carter's about to be 5. We moved here when he was like 1, I think, before 1. Yeah, so like going on 5 years. So it went from our guest room, which was like a peach color. I don't know what made me choose that peach color, I guess. I don't know. Just random guest room, and then we switched it because we didn't really have a ton of guests and it wasn't really being used as a guest room because like nobody ever stayed with us. So then we changed it to our filming room and we painted it like a dark teal color. I think it was like a teal color, and you probably seen videos like on our vlog channel of us film like videos and stuff in that room. Then we changed it around again. It was still like our filming room, and then it became TJ's office, and then from there now TJ's moved back out to where his original office was, and now it's Jaden's bedroom. So yeah, we've changed it quite a few times, but now it's Jaden's room, and it will likely stay Jaden's room. I'm like 99.9% sure it'll just stay Jaden's rooms until he decides to move out or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the room tour and get right into it. Okay, you're gonna have to disregard the lighting. I need it for the video because it's dark in this room right now. But so you come in the door and he has a mirror right here. And this is his closet. This is part of the organization, so I feel like I need to show you guys how I organize everything. This is all of his clothes hung up. We've got his tank tops to short sleeves to long sleeves to like jackets. Up here I fold all of his denim jeans. Sorry, it's kind of dark, but hopefully you guys can see. I fold all of his jeans and sweatpants and his hats up there, and then his shoes down here, and then some random like book bags and stuff over there. It's not the best organization, but this is what I do. This was actually TJ's, but he doesn't really use it anymore, but so I decided to keep it in here because I think it's a good thing for, you know, he's getting older, he needs a calendar. It's not filled in right now, but a little calendar and then like to-do list type things for when he needs that. All right, then we come in here, and this is an overview of his room really quick before I tell you guys where I got everything. Okay, so as you can see, the theme is like black, white, and gray, and basketball, a little bit of a basketball decor in here. I wanted it to be like, you know, a big boy, obviously, room because he's about to be, what, 9? I believe he's about to be 9 years old. So I wanted something that he can grow with and, you know, make him feel like a big, cool kid. So this is what we went with. So started with the rug. The rug is just a black and white rug that I got from overstock.com. Just a cool little, I think I searched maybe geometric pattern rug or something like that. Or if you search just black and white rug, you probably can find it on Overstock. So his bed, his nightstand, and this dresser are from Wayfair. The brand is Summer Shore, South Shore, something like that. I can't remember, but it's the same brand that I had purchased before, so I decided to go with this, and I just liked how it looked. The headboard came separately from the bottom of the bed, so it's like I had to order the platform, the headboard, and then obviously everything else. So it wasn't like one set that I could just order together. I had to order piece by piece. But yeah, I just liked the colors and decided to go with that. The comforter is from Wayfair as well, just a black and white comforter bed. I can't remember where we got that pillow. We've had that pillow for a while, the plus sign one. The J one I got it from the store called At Home, one of my favorite home stores. One of my favorite home decor stores. So that's where I got that. The sheets that you can see behind this pillow it's from Target. Just a full bedding sheet set from Target. I need to order him fluffier pillows because these pillows are kind of thin. So I ordered some. They should be here soon. They're from Amazon. Okay, so this blanket right here with his name on it, I feel like I need to get a bigger one because it's too small now, because I had got that when he had a twin size bed. But it's from a website called Knit Studio. You can get custom blankets. Okay. For the wallpaper, that is wallpaper, not paint. I'm sure you probably could figure it out and like paint it, but it's wallpaper from an Etsy shop called Wallaby Walls. And if I can remember, maybe I'll try to put all this stuff in the description box. But yes, Wallaby Walls. It's 5 pieces. You measure your wall and you go on there, tell them how big your wall is, and they'll tell you how many pieces you need, and they'll send it to you. And I actually got the colors customized in a sense, because the black right here wasn't really black, it was like a dark gray, and I asked her if she can make it black, and she was able to do so. So if you need like custom colors, you can ask. But yeah, it's pretty cool, just a wallpaper that I fell in love with. I just thought it was really neat. The J up there is from Hobby Lobby. I just thought that was pretty neat too. And I actually, in my head, I envisioned the V being smaller on the wall. Like I thought it was gonna be like higher than the bed, but it didn't, it didn't happen that way. But I mean, I still like how it came out, but yeah. Okay, the lamps, these 2 gray lamps that are on the nightstands are from Wayfair as well. And they have like a little USB thing right here so that you can, you know, charge your phone or whatever else. Okay, so inside of his drawers, he just has like his Pokemon cards, some books that he got recently, and then his Nintendo Switch that he keeps in there. And then I don't think there's anything else in the bottom drawer. Oh, a Bible, his Bible. So that's pretty much it as far as storage in there. And come on the other side. I can't remember where I got that picture frame from with all the years on it. But I'm pretty sure if you search like 12-month or first year picture frame, you can find one similar. And then in this side, where he's got like his Dragon Ball Z toys, like I don't know what you really call these toys, but you have to like put them together and stuff. That stuff. He's got this little case that he needs to put together for his iPad. And then I don't think there's anything in this drawer. Yeah, nothing in this drawer. So he doesn't really keep a ton of things in his room, so it's not like a ton of things for him to store. I do have these Lego storages right here that's also from Wayfair, but I know you can purchase them from other places. I've seen them for sale, but I got my particular ones from Wayfair. And in here are Legos, but I'm sure you can put, you know, other things in here, other little toys. Let's see, I'll show you guys. So he's got Legos in here. And the same thing in the bottom. I won't open that one, but there's Legos and stuff in here too. Okay, so that basketball wall decor is also from Wayfair. You can see a pattern here. Wayfair is one of my favorite home decor stores as well, online. The curtain rod I got from Target. The curtains, I've had these curtains for a long time. I want to say maybe I got them from Target. I just am not 100% sure. That Good Vibe sign is from Kirkland's, another one of my favorite home decor stores. And then somebody asked me for the color of gray on the wall. I am not sure what color gray this is. I think TJ just went and grabbed like any kind of color when he painted this room. But one very, very similar to this color is called Stonington Gray by Benjamin Moore. You can look that one up. It's very similar to the color on this walls. I just don't know the exact name of this color. Okay, you come over here. This computer desk, TJ ordered it from Wayfair. The chair, computer chair, is also from Wayfair. So he just sits here and does his homework and stuff. In this drawer, he's got his work that he does, worksheets and stuff. And we can come over here. We got a TV. And you know, I need another pillow to put this pillowcase on. let's see what's inside of his drawer. All right, so he's got underwear in this drawer. I'm not gonna open it because that's, you know, his private stuff. And then in here, he's got pajamas that are not folded neatly right now. Next drawer, we've got, what is this? Oh, soft basketball shorts, soft shorts. In this drawer, he's got hard shorts, denim shorts, khaki shorts, just shorts. This drawer, he's got socks. And then this drawer is swim trunks. He's got a lot of swim trunks because you guys know we travel all the time and go to hot places. So he's got 50 million pairs of swim trunks. All right, up here we've got this picture that I got from a website called Elephant Stock. I had never ordered from there before, but I just fell in love with this canvas picture, 4-panel picture. It was really, really nice. Again, it's called Elephant Stock. Okay, then we come over here. We've got this basketball hoop that is actually supposed to go over a door, but I really wanted it to hang on the wall. So TJ just didn't, he took out the pieces that, you know, that go over the door, and he hung it on the wall. So I thought that was really neat. However, I feel like I might want to move it maybe above the curtain area, or I want to put something up there because I feel like it just looks kind of empty. So yeah, I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. Should I leave that empty, or should I move that or put something up there? Okay, then over here we have these shelves, and disregard the little white spots. Those were holes in the walls that TJ had for, you know, when it was his office, so I filled them and it needs to be painted. But we have those shelves, and I need to find some things to put on the shelves, and yeah, I don't have anything right now, so they're just empty. And then lastly, we just have this mirror right here. And then that's pretty much it. That's the door to the bathroom. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I answered all of your questions that you guys had, showed you guys everything that you guys wanted to see in here. But yeah, if you have any questions that I didn't answer, you can let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.